I am so busy. I've got a lot of kids, a lot of jobs. And so I really try to work so hard to create solutions to your hair problems. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna take my 3-day dirty hair and make it fresh again with our brand new mane, It's Giving Body Brushes. You guys, this is the best. You don't understand. Of a bump at the root, and then I take it on the outside here, and I just kind of glide through. Wow. So I like to take the bang and I get it at the root and I really like direct it across to the other eye and then swoop away just to get a really nice polished look. Those like curling wand, curling iron girlies, I like to show a twist and pull. It's kind of like the bend and snap, but you're basically just gonna get tension and twist and pull down as you go to get really nice bend in the hair. All right, there you have it. Our Giving Body Yaddy Yaddy hot round brushes.